mountain? This is Mount Kilimanjaro, right? Now, the news itself, more than the news itself, we need to have a good understanding about this particular peak. Where is it? It is in Tanzania, right on the borders of Kenya, right? So, it is very near to the borders with respect to Kenya, right? Now, why is it important? Because this is the highest mountain in Africa, right? So, it is among the 7 summits we have talked about before also, 7 summits challenge, right? About the highest peaks in different continents. So, this is the highest peak, but this is a free hanging mountain. It is not part of a range. In that regard, it is very different from Mount Everest. So, this can be a statement question also, right? That how is Mount Kilimanjaro different from Mount Everest? This is a free standing mountain, right? Next important aspect is that is it just one peak or is it a collection of peaks? Do you understand? So, this particular aspect is that this particular Mount Kilimanjaro that we call Mount Kilimanjaro is a collection of 3 cones, right? It is a collection of 3 cones, right? And which are these cones? So, there is now these are, of course, will be having some local pronunciations also. We will try and give it the best possible attempt. So, this is 𝐾𝐨𝐻 in the center, right? 𝐾𝐨𝐻 and in the center. Next is, this will be 𝐻𝐥𝐻𝐬 and 𝐶𝐸RA. 𝐻𝐥𝐻𝐬 and 𝐶𝐸RA. More than the name of these 3 cones, you need to know that there are 3 cones, right? What kind of volcano is it, right? Can anyone tell me where would you find multiple cones in a particular volcano, right? This is very important because it is also at the divergent boundary of the East African Rift Valley. I'm hoping that you must have by now have had a good understanding of this East African Rift Valley, right? So, East African Rift Valley is causing divergent boundary, right, leading to this particular mountain being formed.